Kapit nakakote. So this is the first time we will see how we react when we see the Sagrada. Okay, look at your back. Complain siya ba mga kanang sitaw ganing ganang gamay rin yata. Ngayon ulit siya. Matagag dollar, US dollar, di ko na siya madawat kay. Di ko na madawat. Look us here. Michael and Emil.
1, 2, 3. Okay. And here.
Oh, first time here in Football Stadium. Hey, good morning! Finally, I'm here in Barcelona together with my colleague Carl. Currently here in Columbus Monument. It looks cool. So we're heading to Sagrada Familia, so I hope you will enjoy this video. This guy will go to stadium. Yeah. We will go to Sagrada. Taxi here all the way to Sagrada is so expensive, so we decided to go for subway. Because since I've been there and I have an idea, so welcome to La Rambla Street. One of the famous streets where mostly TV shows they shoot in the street. For example, Media Garden season 2. This is the street, the actual street, and in Barcelona, Filipino movie, Katniel. Nakakote. Someone happened inside the train. He almost got his wallet was almost snatched by one of the locals here. So nag-enjoy ra ka? Nag-enjoy ra ka?
Enjoy kayo. Sana buhat na.
Sagrada Station, Sagrada Familia. Finally, we're here again, and I'm here again. I'm so happy to be back here. So, yeah, I will show you what the church looks like until now. I will take your reaction. So this is the first time we will see how we react when we see the Sagrada. 3,
No reaction.
2, 1. Okay, look at your back.
Very nice.
Wow. You see, now we're here in Sagrada.
Narinig ko. Very good, no?
Oh. Finally, we're here. The thing is quite really amazing. Welcome to Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, Spain. Woo! Oh, this is the full view of this church. Finally, I'm here again, 4 times and 4 years in a row. Like every contract I have, I always visit. Maybe this is always give me luck. It's really amazing. The tourists here will spend time to take pictures here because this is one of the nice spots to take what you call this, a romantic shot here. So it would be so nice if you bring your loved ones here. The church is like you're in a Harry Potter world. So this is the back part of this church. On this side, the back part is where there's like a Via Crucis or Passion of the Christ statue. So it's really amazing how I don't know how they make this one, but it's really worth it. I don't have plan to go inside because it's quite expensive, and I heard that it's really cool, but maybe go check in another YouTube channel, like you can watch it inside. And since we're not planning to go inside, we're gonna head back to the La Rambla because my colleague Carl will have a work later, so may I have more time to go out here. So yeah, so we head back to the train station, and yeah, I hope he will not be late because it will be my fault if he will be late.
Filipino kayo, kuya? Kayo?
Ay, hindi. Visit lang. Complain siya ba mga kanang sitagan nga nang gamay rin yata. Ngayon ko siya. Matagad dollar, US dollar. Dito na siya madawat kay. Dito na madawat. One of the beggar here is Filipino, and then he asked for money, but he didn't want to accept $1 because yeah, actually it's not really just dollar here because they have to change the money, but I think that's enough for help, you know. He's asking for money, but that's the only money we have because adventure, diba? Come on, dali. Ay, Pinoy na ng limos. Tara, malate, tata. Actually, we ride the wrong train, but we go to the other side. So the final terminal, going back to La Rambla. Glad that I'm his tour guide for free.
Best tour guide.
First, we get lost. Second, somebody's almost snatched his wallet. And third, Filipino beggar wants to ask money from us, but he don't want to accept dollars. So and the last is we get lost again. So it's really normal, guys, when you commute. So now we're going back to La Rambla, and so now we're back to Drasanes, which is the terminal all the way to the nearest port. So he's gonna go back to the ship while me, I'm gonna spend the whole day. Ciao, ciao. So thank you so much.
Thank you also, Dong.
I tried to connect with Michael Sumala because they're planning to go to the, what you call this, stadium. So I hope we will see each other here. Look who's here, Michael and Emil. So we're gonna go to FC Barcelona Stadium, and I'm gonna ride the subway again. Here we go again. I'm with Emil and so this is another adventure all the way to stadium. Train station again. Tukol Blanc. First time to go in stadium, football stadium. Why so serious? So all the way to Coliseum Stadium is we go from Drasanes all the way to San Estacio and transfer all the way to Colblanc station. So I hope that's the right station as we just asked. We're here and Colblanc. So this is the terminal all the way to the stadium. So we have to walk 4 minutes walk. Welcome to the FCB football stadium. Finally here. At last, after 40 years. Thank you so much. So this is the entrance all the way to the museum and stadium. So we paid this tour for 30 euro. So we get a chance, a day tour inside this stadium. So hopefully I will enjoy. These guys want to risk their money just to watch this, and once in a lifetime as well. So. Okay, how do you feel? It's a good, fully mixed food. So happy now we're here. Finally, the first stadium tour here in Barcelona. One of the famous stadium here. First time here in football stadium. It's so huge. Look, a real life football stadium. Wait. Oh my god, look, it's so amazing. Oh my god. The best. So that's all my Barcelona tour. I'd like to thank Carl Vidal for having me Sagrada Familia tour, and now with these two guys here, Michael Tumala and Emil. So thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe and follow me in YouTube. Don't forget. Peace. This spot right here is where the Barcelona and Filipino movies they shoot here. It's really famous. This actual fountain here is where the scene. And then I don't know why there's so many people here. I think they also watch Barcelona.